Hey guys, it's Shauna. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my two mini slimes. I have one in this panda container and then one in this unicorn container, and these are both from Forever 21 and they were lip gloss containers. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one already opened. It's the panda one, and it's this cute little panda ball. You just twist it open and it has a slime inside. And hold on, let me take it out. It's this really small, crunchy slime, and I love it a lot. It's like a grayish, purplish, pinkish kind of color. I don't really know, but it's really small, and yeah, so that's the first one. It's probably going to be a really short video, just I want to show you guys these. That's the inside of the container, and you just close it like this. And this was a coconut lip gloss. And then this one's my favorite. It's this little unicorn, and it just looks like a regular unicorn. It's got little wings and stuff, and it's made out of that holographic, like, white material. You just twist it open. Oops. But it's got a pink unicorn slime inside, and it kind of fits it because it is a unicorn. And there's much more slime. I mean, not much more. Like, not like way more. It's just more than the. I'll show you guys a comparison. Let me get a something to put my slime on. Hold on, let me get some a tile. Slime tile. Oops. It just kicks that. So I don't know why these are getting like really sticky though. They're not sticky, but like sticking to my hands a little bit, and it's a little bit runny. So let me roll this into a ball so you can see the comparison here of which one's bigger. Let's see, we gotta figure out which one's a little bit bigger. I can't really tell. They're both so small. It's so cute. I'm gonna poke them both. The small little poking noises. Listen. I was just going like, hold on, let me do that again. I was like, and then this one. Unicorn one you can hear. The other one I don't think you can really hear that much. But these are really cool. And then the thing I like about the unicorn container is that, hold on, is that it's really cool to poke. It's kind of like a flirt container. You can poke it. You just sit here and go like this. Watch. And go. Oops. And I just like to sit here and poke. Yeah. So those were my two mini slimes. And yeah, they're really cute, and I really didn't go over really a description of texture. This one's a little bit runny. Just a tiny bit, though. Not too much. It's not sticky, I don't think. Oops. It's, I just pulled something in my leg. Kind of crunchy, and there's little bit of glitter in it. And yeah, that's that texture. And then the other one I already told you guys is a crunchy slime, and the texture is basically the same as the unicorn one. It's just this one's a little bit thicker, and that's not bad to be thick. It's like, I feel like this one's less sticky than the unicorn one, even though neither of them are really sticky. I went like that, and my other hand moved. I was like sticky, and I went like that. So now I'm gonna put this one back, and they both do have a little bit of glitter on them. And what am I doing? I was trying to do that, and then I was gonna put that one on there. They both do have a little bit of a weird texture, but not like a bad weird texture. It's just different. But yeah, those were my 2 mini slimes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like to give it a thumbs up, and comment down below some questions you have for me, because I'm going to do a Q&A. I don't know when, but I will. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye! Why am I pulling out squishies when it's a slime video? Bye!